ba magtayo ng sarili mong brand of soaps? Hi! I am Lauren and I'm a registered cosmetic manuf, and today ipapakita ko sa inyo a sneak peek of our pillow packing ng mga sabon. Alam nyo ba na kaya naming bumalot or mag-pillow pack ng sabon ranging from 50,000 to 70,000 pieces of soap a day? So if you are interested to build your own brand with us ng mga sabon, kaya namin kayong gawan through our mass production of soaps. We could customize the soaps according to your need, the formulation, the color, the actives, the scents, kaya gawin yan ni IMI Cosmetics Manufacturing. So tara, pakita ko sa inyo kung paano kami nagpipillow pack ng mga sabon. If you are interested to build your own brand of soaps, pag-usapan natin yan. I-follow mo kami sa aming mga social media platforms para umpisahan na natin ang iyong sariling brand. Link in my bio.